In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check LinkedIn followers. Start by opening LinkedIn and making sure you're signed in. You should land on your feed, which is the homepage where you see posts from your network. From here, look toward the top navigation bar and click My Network. This section is where LinkedIn groups everything related to your relationships, like connections, contacts, and followers, so it's the best place to manage who you're connected with and who's following you. On the My Network page, find and click Network Overview. This opens a simple dashboard that summarizes your connections and the different types of profiles and pages you're linked to on LinkedIn. It's a helpful snapshot that keeps everything organized in one place. Next, click Show More to expand the categories. This reveals additional items that may not be visible at first glance, including lists related to who you follow and who follows you. Expanding this view ensures you don't miss the followers section you're looking for. You'll likely see a small number next to one of the categories, such as the count of profiles or pages you're following. Click that number to open the full list. It's a quick way to jump directly into the detailed view from the overview. Once the list opens, select Following to confirm you're looking at the profiles, pages, or creators you've chosen to follow. Depending on your account and layout, you may see Following more than once, for example, as a main tab and also as a filter. If that happens, click the available following option again to narrow the view specifically to people or to make sure you're in the right section. Now switch to followers. This is the view that shows the people who follow you on LinkedIn. Followers are different from connections. A connection is mutual, while a follower chooses to see your public updates without needing you to accept a request. This is especially common if you post content frequently or have creator mode enabled. In this followers view, you'll see names and profiles of people who've opted into your updates. You may also notice options to sort, search, or manage what you see. Keep in mind, counts can vary slightly from connections because some people follow without connecting, and some connections may unfollow your content while staying connected. That's it. By navigating from your feed to My Network, opening Network Overview, expanding with Show More, using the count link, confirming following, and then switching to followers, you can quickly see exactly who's keeping up with your posts on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find your followers with confidence.